This is a 100% cotton t-shirt that's been soaked in soda ash for for at least 20 minutes, sorry, and then spun out until it's just damp. So I'm going to go ahead and, it is inside out since this is being ice dyed. I'm going to draw a line that's kind of like a diagonal sash, but not quite. So it's not a straight line. Yeah, I'm adjusting as I go. Okay, so we're going to do this kind of like a cosmic egg, but not really. I mean, it's that rolling concept. So I'm going to start rolling on this side since the top is where I would want the smaller circles to be. So let's go ahead and do this really tight. And I'm just letting these follow along. It should follow fine since it's damp. Usually the only time there's an issue is if it's dry. I am having to fight a little to go at that angle because it wants to go straight. And I can actually see the purple under here. I'm not sure how well that's going to show up on the video. Just ignore that. It's just a yardstick. Cheat a little and pull on this so I can get it to go back that direction some. I'm probably not going to be able to. I'm just going to pull that around. Okay. Pull that in half. Man, that does not want to tighten. There it goes. I'm going to leave this back onto itself. Come up under. And probably leave it under. And then pull that. I'm not doing the whole thing. I'm just going to do, I don't know, 3 to 5 maybe. Here. So 1, 2, 3. So let's go ahead and do 3 on this side. Let's pull this one back. Now those are being pulled really tight. And then we'll go back one more time this way. I'd say I'd rather have it coming this way, but it's fine. So these I'm not concerned about. I'm actually just going to either, what will we do? Wrap it loosely or rubber band it. So I'll dye this, and this, I was going to say an incline, but I don't think I can fit that on my incline. I would say there's no way that's going to fit on my incline. Okay. I don't know. I'll decide what to do before I go to do the dye. But that's what we're going with. We'll see what it turns out. For this, I'm going to be using Grateful Dye's Sea Green, Grateful Dye's Viridian Blue, Grateful Dye Seashell Blue, and Dharma's Robin Eggs Blue. Okay, so let's go ahead and dye this. Alright, we'll let that melt through and then come back with another round. Okay, it's melted through. I'm going to go ahead and add some soda ash, ice, and then we'll do some more dye over the top of all that. Alright, we'll let that melt through. Okay, it's been about 24 hours since the last step, so let's go ahead and wash this out. Alrighty, let's take a look at this. Go throw this in the wash and see what the final looks like. Well, here's the finish after it's been washed and everything. I knew I was going to pull all those down with it. Let's try it on the back side. I know somebody's probably waiting for me to say, but there's white up here. There is, but it works with the design. And the back seems a little more excessive. I guess it's not. But it works. I mean, it's kind of like, I don't know, a river, a stream, something like that running through. I think it looks good. I like the overall effect. This I was expecting more of a, can't think of the word, smearing. But it came out looking good. I'm happy with it. So what do you think? Oh, I will say this. The two greens that I used are so incredibly close to each other that I don't think you can actually see a difference between them. There's like slightly more green in the second one, which is weird because that should be the one with slightly more blue. So, okay. I won't buy one of those again since they're so incredibly similar. So as I was saying, what's your opinion on this? Let me know down below. This is being listed on my Etsy shop. Now it's being listed at the time that I'm recording the video, so it may or may not be there by the time the video is released. It just depends if it's been a day or a week or 3 weeks or whatever in that time span. But let me know. This is a large. Until next time, thanks for watching.